Welcome back to Ang Sarap Pala Magbasa, the podcast where we don't just read books, we let them read us. At ngayon, mas interesting ang pag-uusapan natin because we're not just going to talk about a book. We're talking about power, systems, at kung bakit hindi umuunlad ang isang bansa. And guess what? This is reportedly a favorite read of Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto. Yes, the mayor who keeps redefining what local leadership can look like. The book, Why Nations Fail by Darna Sumoglu and James A. Robinson. And here's the big question it asks. Why do some nations stay poor kahit may resources naman? It's about institutions. Inclusive versus extractive. Systems that empower people versus systems that drain them. And if you think this is just academic theory, think again. Because when you look at how Pasig has been run in recent years, grabe yung transparency, may digitalization, may participatory governance. Mapapaisip ka talaga, parang hindi lang siya good governance, kundi may mas malalim na framework na sinusundan. So today, let's break down why this book hits different, and why it makes sense that a reform-driven mayor would love it, and why if you care about the future of this country, this book might quietly break the cycle that keeps us stuck in the same problems, election after election. I'm Tessa Saavedra, at samahan niyo ako ulit dito lang sa Isang Pahina, Isang Kwento, Isang Aral. Ang sarap pala magbasa.